Say something. What's up? What's up? You know, this is the Foreign Vibes thing and Drifter Vibe. I got Pixel Edge Studios right here with the Foreign Vibes team. We're in Colombia. We're doing this music video. We're gonna get shit done.
I get the moment you looked in my face. I was out of luck, down on my face.
Colombia on the first day of the shoot. It's going good. I still haven't got my Espanol properly as yet, but soon, very soon. Welcome to another vlog. This is day 2 of our video shoot. We have MC on my left, and then we got
On your right.
Everton on my, whatever. Yeah, we're gonna start day 2 shoot.
Get off the mic. What's going on? Get off.
Yeah, put on your helmet, nigga.
I'm not putting on.
Put on your helmet.
Nah, what the fuck? Fuck out here. You put on the helmet, nigga. Alright, nigga.
Your goofy ass. Listen, don't do this in any foreign country, especially when it's hot. Don't wear this shit. I'm just trying to lose weight. I'm trying to look like MC, not like Everton.
Best ever. Yes.
Fucking hell. So you're gonna do this. You're gonna walk up to the mic.
Él te va a dar indicación.
Canta duro, vale, canta duro, canta duro, canta duro. No canto yo.
You have the flash? Sorry. Oh, you left it back at the house. We're here at the studio. Crispito. Con Oski. Van McClack. MC Green. Crispito. La música. ¿Saben? And my boy, Prince Gentola. Of course. Got Jeff and Kiwi doing it with Vince. A Jamaican flag right here. Now let me find my flag. My flag, I think, is right over. Right over here. Pop, pop, pop. I know, St. Simon, give me some of that fine wine. Girl, your body nice and clean, but you realize that the world to the beat. Hey, and every God can be. You don't realize some girl, you're afraid. Hey, Colombia, hey.
What's up, nigga? Hey, The Edge, nigga. La promesa de My Records.
27 heartbeats.
5 pa' 5 a toditos los brincos, quedarán extintos. Estamos en Colombia, ya ando regalando billetes de panas a Milton. Su música da tantos sueños que baila, tengo que tener mano un tinto. Me van a pagar la cuotica, tendré que mandar a cobrar a Jacinto. Dime, ya habla claro, si tú quieres que te trate serio. Tú sabes quién yo soy, deja estar montando imperio. En esta selva de cemento no vale el criterio. Entonces por esa razón me voy a ir a lo serio. Mira por el espejo, ey, no me ves cerca ni tampoco lejos, mucho menos mi reflejo. No que no puedan, es que no me dejo, ey, parecen unos conejos brincando por ahí desde de lejos. Ey, what's up, nigga?
When I smoke, just smoke it. Light up the weed and smoke it. I tell them ain't no joking, yeah. See me and me dogs, them rolling. I do weed, when I smoke, just smoke it.
Marihuana, marihuana, marihuana. Me roban tu hermana, tu hermana, tu hermana. Negro en la mañana me acuesto en tu cama. Esto no se juega, lo prende en tu cara. Lo prende en tu cara, lo prende en tu cara. Esto no se juega, lo prende en tu cara. Esto no se acaba, esto no se acaba. Esto no se acaba, lo prende en tu cara.
Light up the weed and smoke it. I tell her we no joking.
Estamos en la, donde estamos caminando ayer, aquí en la sombra, ¿cómo se llama? En la bandera. No, that's the